नमस्कार मित्रों. In electrical engineering there are three basic components. First is resistance or resistor. First is resistor, second is inductor, and third is capacitor. Resistor is denoted by letter R and it shows the property of resistance. Inductor is denoted by letter L and it shows the property of inductance. Capacitor is denoted by letter C and it shows the property of capacitance. Depend upon these three components, there are different electrical circuit. The first electrical circuit is pure resistive circuit. In pure resistive circuit there is only resistance. After that, pure inductive circuit. In pure inductive circuit there is inductor, only pure inductor. And third type of circuit is pure capacitive circuit. In pure capacitive circuit there is only pure capacitance. In these circuits we will see the circuit diagram, waveforms, phasor diagram, then impedance and power of these circuits and energy of the circuit. आज आपण पाहूयात आपलं पहिलं सर्किट. Our first circuit, the name of circuit is pure resistive circuit. In this circuit there is only one resistance or only pure resistance. Our first point is consider a circuit consists of pure resistance connected in series with voltage source V is equal to Vm sin omega t. The equation of voltage is V is equal to Vm sin omega t and resistance is connected in series with the voltage source. See in circuit diagram, the equation of voltage is given. Voltage source is connected in series with the resistance. The value of resistance is R. Because of the voltage, current starts flowing through the circuit and that current is I. Now we will see the equations. The equation of voltage is as given. The equation of voltage is V is equal to Vm sin omega t and unit of voltage is volt. The equation of current is I is equal to Im sin omega t and the unit of current is ampere. Now we will see the phasor diagram. Phasor is nothing but it is a straight line having arrowhead on one side. It is the straight line having arrowhead on one side. Its length represents the magnitude of electrical quantity. Its length represents the magnitude of electrical quantity. For pure resistive circuit, the phasor diagram is like this. Voltage and current lie on the same phasor. It shows that the phase angle between voltage and current is 0. It shows that the phase angle between voltage and current is 0. They lie on the same phasor. Now we will see the impedance. What is impedance? Impedance is opposition to the flow of electric current offered by resistor and reactance. It is the combination, but the circuit is pure resistive circuit. Because of pure resistance, the reactive part is 0. We can take X as 0, reactive part as 0, then we will get Z is equal to R. This is the impedance of pure resistive circuit. हा काय प्युअर रेजिस्टिव्ह सर्किटचा इम्पेडन्स आहे. इम्पेडन्सची व्हॅल्यू किती असते रेजिस्टिव्ह सर्किटमध्ये? इम्पेडन्स इज इक्वल टू R, कारण की त्याच्यामध्ये जो रिएक्टिव्ह पार्ट असतो तो रिएक्टिव्ह पार्ट 0 असतो. म्हणून ह्या ठिकाणी R इज इक्वल टू Z or Z is equal to R and unit of Z is ohm. Now we will see power. आता पॉवर पाहूया आपण या सर्किटमध्ये. प्युअर रेजिस्टिव्ह सर्किटमध्ये पॉवर हा गुणाकार असतो व्होल्टेज आणि करंटचा. मग इट इज द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ VRMS into IRMS, where RMS is the root mean square value of voltage and root mean square value of current. The unit of power is watt and the last point is energy. Energy is the product of power into time. Energy, power आणि time यांचा गुणाकार असतो. Energy is equal to P into T and the unit of energy is joule. Let us see the waveform in pure resistive circuit. See here, this is the waveform of voltage V is equal to Vm sin omega t and this is the waveform of current I is equal to Im sin omega t. In resistive circuit, voltage and current are in phase, means the phase angle phi is equal to 0. Both voltage and current start at the same point. See here, voltage start at 0, also current start at 0. Thus we can say that voltage and current are in phase. See here, this is the maximum voltage and this is the maximum current. The equation of current is I is equal to Im sin omega t. The value of phi is 0. This is the waveform of pure resistive circuit. Our next circuit is pure inductive circuit. In this circuit there is only one pure inductor. Pure inductor is in series with the voltage. या ठिकाणी प्युअर इंडक्टरला आपण एल ने डिनोट करतो आणि इंडक्टरचं युनिट आहे हेनरी. इंडक्टर आपण व्होल्टमीटरच्या व्होल्टेजच्या किंवा सोर्सच्या सिरीजमध्ये कनेक्ट करतो. इंडक्टर इज कनेक्टेड इन सिरीज विथ द व्होल्टेज. द इक्वेशन ऑफ व्होल्टेज इज सेम. देर इज नो चेंज इन व्होल्टेज इक्वेशन. द इक्वेशन ऑफ व्होल्टेज इज Vm sin omega t. Because of this voltage, current starts flowing through the circuit. Now this first point is write down regarding circuit. Consider a circuit consists of pure inductor L Henry connected in series with voltage source V is equal to Vm sin omega t. Then draw a circuit diagram. Because of voltage, current starts flowing through the circuit. The equations of voltage is V is equal to Vm sin omega t volt, and the equation of current is I is equal to Im sin omega t minus 90 degree. In inductive circuit, current lags behind 90 degree. That's why there is 90 degree lagging, minus 90 degree. And omega t is angular frequency. Omega t is the angular frequency. Omega is angular frequency. T is the time. The phasor diagram of pure inductive circuit is: in pure inductor, current lags behind by an angle 90 degree. It is shown by the phasor. Phasor is a straight line having arrowhead on one side. It is the straight line having arrowhead on one side. ही एक स्ट्रेट लाईन असते आणि याच्या बाजूला एक ॲरो असतो. ह्या डायग्रामला म्हटलं जातं फेजर डायग्राम. मग द लेंथ ऑफ दिस फेजर रिप्रेझेंट द इलेक्ट्रिकल क्वांटिटी. जी फेजरची लेंथ असते ती इलेक्ट्रिकल क्वांटिटी डिनोट करत असते. या ठिकाणी आपण पाहू शकतो प्युअर इंडक्टरसाठी फेजर डायग्राम अशा प्रकारे असते. करंट हा लॅग असतो 90 डिग्री. करंट हा व्होल्टेजपेक्षा 90 डिग्री लॅग असतो. ह्या ठिकाणी व्होल्टेज आपण वी कन्सिडर व्होल्टेज ॲज अ रेफरन्स. व्होल्टेजला आपण रेफरन्स कन्सिडर केलेला आहे. नाव वी विल सी द इम्पेडन्स ऑफ प्युअर इंडक्टिव्ह सर्किट. Impedance is nothing but the combination of resistance and reactance. But in pure inductive circuit, the resistive part is 0. So we take R as 0. So we get the value of impedance is Z is equal to XL, and the unit of impedance is ohm. Now we will see the power. The formula for power is in pure inductive circuit is P is equal to Vrms into Irms. The unit of power is watt. It is the RMS value of voltage, product of RMS value of voltage and RMS value of current, and unit is watt. Now we will see the energy. Energy in pure inductive circuit is E is equal to P into T, means energy is equal to power into time, and the unit of energy is joule. Now we see the waveform of pure inductive circuit. See here, this is the waveform of pure inductive circuit. In pure inductive circuit, current lags behind the voltage by an angle 90 degree. Current lags behind the voltage by an angle 90 degree. See here, this is the waveform of voltage. Voltage is considered as reference. It starts from 0. This is the maximum voltage, and equation of voltage is V is equal to Vm sin omega t. There is no change in voltage equation. Voltage equation मध्ये कुठल्याही प्रकारचा बदल झालेला नाही, लक्षात ठेवा. या ठिकाणी पहा, this is the maximum current, but current starts with phase shift of pi by 2, means phase shift of 90 degree. Here current is lagging with the voltage by an angle 90 degree. the phase angle between voltage and current is 90 degree. Minus indicates the lagging power factor, or minus indicates the lagging. See here, current lags behind the voltage by an angle 90 degree. This is the waveform presentation of pure inductive circuit. Now we will see our third circuit, pure capacitive circuit. In pure capacitive circuit, capacitor is connected in series with the voltage source. Let us consider a circuit consists of pure capacitor C farad connected in series with the voltage source V is equal to Vm sin omega t. There is no change in voltage equation. Voltage equation मध्ये कुठल्या प्रकारचे चेंजेस नाही. मग या ठिकाणी कॅपॅसिटर हा सिरीज मध्ये कनेक्ट केलेला आहे कशाच्या, व्होल्टेज सोर्सच्या. द इक्वेशन ऑफ व्होल्टेज सोर्स इज V is equal to Vm sin omega t and the value of capacitor is C farad. Because of voltage, current starts flowing through the circuit. व्होल्टेजमुळे करंट सर्किटमधून करंट फ्लो होतोय. आणि या ठिकाणी आपण इक्वेशन्स पाहूया. द इक्वेशन ऑफ व्होल्टेज इज, व्होल्टेज इक्वेशन आहे V इज इक्वल टू Vm sin ओमेगा टी व्होल्ट. व्होल्टेजच्या इक्वेशनमध्ये कुठल्याही प्रकारचे चेंजेस झाले नाही, बिकॉज वी कन्सिडर व्होल्टेज ॲज अ रेफरन्स. आपण व्होल्टेजला रेफरन्स कन्सिडर केल्यामुळे व्होल्टेजच्या इक्वेशनमध्ये कुठल्याही प्रकारचे चेंजेस झालेले नाहीत. आता करंटचे इक्वेशन इन प्युअर कॅपॅसिटिव्ह सर्किट, करंट लीड्स द व्होल्टेज बाय अन अँगल 90 डिग्री. प्युअर कॅपॅसिटिव्ह सर्किटमध्ये करंट हा लिडिंग असतो करंट, आणि हा लिडिंगची व्हॅल्यू असते 90 डिग्री लिडिंग. वी विल सी द इक्वेशन I इज इक्वल टू Im sin ओमेगा टी. In this equation we show current as positive 90 degree, means it leads the voltage by an angle 90 degree. The unit of current is ampere. Now we see the phasor diagram. The phasor diagram for pure capacitive circuit is, in pure capacitance current leads the voltage by an angle 90 degree. This shows the phasor diagram, and phasor diagram shows the leading. Here is leading. Now we will see the impedance. In previous circuits we studied the impedance is combination of resistance and reactance, but in pure capacitive circuit resistive part is 0 or negligible, so we take 0 as R as 0 and Z as XC. In pure capacitive circuit, inductor is the value of impedance is XC ohm. The power in pure capacitive circuit is Vrms into Irms. It is the product of voltage, RMS value of voltage and RMS value of current. The unit of power is watt, and the last point is energy. In energy is the product of P into T, means energy is the product of power and time, and unit of energy is joule. Let us see the waveform of pure capacitive circuit. See here, this is pure capacitive circuit. In pure capacitive circuit, here is voltage waveform. There is no change in voltage waveform. V is equal to Vm sin omega t. It starts from 0, and this is the maximum voltage. Total for completing cycle time required is 2 pi. And this is the waveform of current. See here, current leads the voltage by an angle 90 degree. Here phi is equal to 90 degree. It means current leading the voltage by an angle 90 degree. Here phase angle is plus 90 degree, and current leads the voltage by an angle 90 degree. This is about waveforms of pure capacitive circuit.